In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Fortnite on iPhone 14 Pro Max. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Although Fortnite is still not available through the App Store, you can still download and play the game on an iPhone 14 Pro Max or any other model, like an iPhone 15, 16, and even older ones. To download Fortnite, you will have to do it outside of the App Store, and for the method that I'm going to showcase in this video, you will be doing it through the Xbox Cloud Gaming service. So as you can see in this particular website, if you click on the Apple logo, you will see that they list Xbox Cloud Gaming, GeForce Now, and Amazon Luna. If you are in the European Union, you can actually download the Epic Games Store app directly on your iPhone. But for anyone outside of the EU, you will have to do it through one of these services. Like I said before, the one that I chose to showcase was Xbox Cloud Gaming, but you can do this with other cloud services that also have Fortnite available as an option. If you decide to use Xbox Cloud Gaming, you will have to visit the Xbox website, so open a web browser, go to xbox.com, and choose the Share button. Now, you will be able to add Xbox Cloud Gaming to your home screen, essentially as an application. Every time that you open that app on the home screen, you will be redirected to the Xbox Cloud Gaming website service. Now, by doing this, you can give it a name as if it was an application that you downloaded from the App Store. And once you are inside of Xbox Cloud Gaming, it's as simple as signing in with a Microsoft account and choosing the option to play Fortnite. You will go through the queue and eventually you will be allowed in. You will have touch controls to move, jump, build, and so on, or you can connect a controller. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Fortnite on iPhone 14 Pro Max. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.